Hi, it's Aqua with WTI, and I'm ready for my party with this Chic Leaf Party Pack. If you are looking for beautiful disposable plates and cups for your next party, then this party pack is perfect. This comes with 45 large plates, 45 small plates, even a napkin and your cutlery, knife, spoon, and fork, and also a cup. So everything you need for a party is in this pack. I think what I love most about them is that they're made from palm leaves. So they're just really unique and interesting looking. Every single one is unique. I think this would just be perfect for a baby shower, wedding shower, engagement party, any party you're having that you want to really elevate your look for your dinnerware. This would be perfect. I also use these with my charcuterie board and it worked out perfect. It could help hold things, but also I use those for the dinner plates and salad. These plates are really durable as well, so you could serve any type of food on these. I was impressed that the capacity, there's no bowing, they're just really sturdy plates. The cutlery is made of wood, but it is very sturdy as well. I did not have any break on me whatsoever. And one of the best parts is no big cleanup. These can be easily thrown away. And just another cute little detail is on the cup, there's a little QR code that you can scan for little icebreakers. And that's my point of view.